In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of Webull website. Logging out is a small step that makes a big difference, especially if you're using a shared or public computer. It helps protect your account and ensures no one can make changes or view your information after you're done. Let's walk through it together so it's quick and worry-free. Start by heading to the Webull website where you're already signed in. This could be Webull WebTrade or the main Webull.com site. You'll know you're in the right place if you can see your dashboard, watch lists, or any account details without being asked to sign in again. Keep that page open. Everything we need is right here. Now look toward the top right corner of the page for your profile or avatar icon. Depending on your setup, it might look like a small circle with your initials, a silhouette icon, or a tiny profile image. On some screens, especially if your browser window is narrow or zoomed in, the icon could be tucked behind a compact menu area near notifications or settings. If you don't see it right away, try maximizing the window or zooming out slightly so the top bar has room to display all icons. Click the profile or avatar once you've found it. A small drop-down menu should appear. This menu usually contains quick links related to your account, such as settings, help, and of course the option to leave your session. In that drop-down, click the option labeled Log Out or Sign Out. The wording may vary slightly, but it serves the same purpose. After you click, Webull typically signs you out immediately and returns you to a sign-in page. That's your confirmation that the session has ended. A couple of quick tips to finish securely. If you're on a shared device, close the browser tab or window after logging out to prevent the next person from reopening the page from history. If your browser asks to save your password and the device isn't yours, decline that prompt. And if you ever step away from your desk, log out first so your session isn't left active. If the avatar doesn't show up or the menu won't open, try refreshing the page. Make sure you're connected to the internet and consider temporarily disabling any aggressive browser extensions that might interfere with page elements. Then, repeat the same steps to access the menu and log out. That's all there is to it. You navigated to the site where you were signed in, opened your profile menu, and selected Log Out. Thanks for watching, and stay secure each time you finish using your account.